about to show you all how to make long grain brown rice, the dry version from scratch, in the Instant Pot in 15 minutes, all right? So, let me show you the nutrition facts of this. One serving size is 45 grams or 1/4 a cup. 45 grams of dried brown rice long grain is 160 calories. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use 1 full cup. And 1 full cup is 640 calories. Cut that open. And you can use a measuring cup, but if you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and use a food scale, which I always recommend. I'm gonna do both. So turn on the food scale, sit that right there. Now we're gonna reset. Now keep in mind, if you don't have a food scale, just use 1 cup, fill it up to the top, pour it in there, and you're good to go. I just want to show you all how you can do it with a food scale as well. So 1 serving size is 45 grams. We're going to use 1 cup, which is 4 of these serving sizes. So that would be 180 grams. Now let's get to pouring. And we're going to pour it till we get to 180 grams. There we go. So we have 180 grams of the dried brown rice, or 1 cup, all right? So next, what we're gonna do, all right, we're gonna rinse it. Pour it right in the strainer, turn on the water, and just lightly rinse it a little bit. Just like that. Okay. Now let's take it over to the Instant Pot. So now we're just gonna go ahead and scoop it all in. It's like painting. There we go. So how much water should you use? For every 1 cup of rice, we're gonna use 1.5 cups of water. So we're gonna use 1 cup, so we're gonna put 1.5 cups up here. So that's 1 cup right there. Pour that in. That's 2. We're gonna get a little bit of garlic, just a little bit like that. Throw that in there. Then we're going to add in a little bit of pink salt. And then we're going to seal this thing. Signed, sealed, delivered.
Signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours.
The phone now.
I'm phone
15. And then we're going to go ahead and let that cook. We're going to come back up here and make sure that it's on sealed, all right? You don't want it to be on vents. Let me come back over here. Do not let it go on vents, all right? This is where I ruined the rice. I burnt it. It literally said burnt, all right? So keep it on sealed. Don't let it go to vent, all right? We're gonna get you some good rice. Now it's only gonna take about 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is up and you'll see this L on the screen, and that stands for lapse time. So this is essentially after the rice has cooked. You want to let this count up to the number 10, and this is basically the time that the rice is steaming up and it's absorbing all of the water. So allow it to count up to 10. We got to 1, so we got 9 more minutes. Then we're going to pop the top, take a look at it, take a taste test, and then go from there. That's how you turn dried rice into instant rice with the Instant Pot. Y'all like that? Just turned to 11, so let's go ahead and I just turned it on vent. Now we're gonna drop the top, pop it. Look at that. So look at this. Let's pick it up. Look at that. That's quality rice right there. Yeah. Some nice fluffy rice. Restaurant quality. Now I'm gonna take this out, pour it into the container. That is 640 calories worth of rice right there. All right, so that's how you make 15-minute Instant Pot rice from long grain dried rice, brown rice. 15 minutes, super quick, easy, tastes good. You can make a lot of it, right? You can make this whole thing. Just remember, every 1 cup of brown rice, use 2 cups of water, and you're good to go.